So you guys have been absolutely loving the Toy Story 5 videos, if it's talking about the movie or opening the toys, and I appreciate you guys so much. Toy Story is one of my favorite franchises, so it's so fun to be able to actually talk about it and it actually do well. So, you know what, I was at Target the other day with my friend, and I've been seeing these. I've talked about these a while back when they were first getting announced and leaked. I saw it was a lot of money, but I was like, you know what, let's do it. We'll get a great video out for you guys. So today, the reason you clicked on the video, we will be talking about the ultimate action Toy Story Woody figure doll thing. First of all, like I said, I think I titled the video like creepiest Woody doll. This face is terrifying. He's obviously a animatronic. So I bought it, and we're gonna open him. We're gonna compare it to some other Woodies, just take a look at him in general. You guys gotta get this video to at least 1,000 views. If this video gets 1,000 views, or even more than that, I will get the ultimate action buzz, and you guys will see my in-depth review on that figure as well. But anyways, let's waste no more time. You guys like Toy Story, you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles. I talk about all that here, and let's open up Ultimate Action Woody. So first of all, let's take a look at the box like we always do. As you can see, it's not Toy Story 5. Oh, thank you. As you can see, it's not Toy Story 5. This is just Toy Story. This is not the Toy Story 4 or 5 Woody. He does have a sheriff star and no bald spot. So that is kind of different. As you can see, we got a cool little render of Woody from Toy Story 4 there. We got kind of showing off what he does to Try Me. You got the buzz up here. Top just says Toy Story Ultimate Action. On the back, it shows you some other stuff you can do with the figure and his pull string, but we'll take a look at that in a bit. Side of the box, nothing, just the clouds also on the side of the box, and it's just yellow on the bottom. So nothing crazy, not a crazy box. Anyways, let's waste no more time. This guy's been sitting in my room, and I've been dying to open him. Let's finally unbox him. Ow! Okay, hold on. Let me do some handiwork real quick. Yeah, alright, hold on. I'm gonna need to get scissors. God damn it. I've returned. I've gotten the scissors. Oh my god. He is heavy. There's also these cool little blocks that he was sitting on, which are pretty cool. It is just cardboard. You can't actually take them out, I don't think. But if you want to figure out how to, you can. I don't care that much. Oh, yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay, we have gotten Woody's hat. So now, oh my god, this is insane. Let's go over to the review station and take a look at Ultimate Action Woody. Alright guys, so a little bit of technical difficulties. I know I said I was going to go over to the review station and take a look at him, but we're going to have to do it the old-fashioned review way because this guy is so big, he literally doesn't fit in my review station. So again, we're going to have to go old-fashioned route before I add a review station and just take a look at Woody right here. So first of all, taking a look at the detail. Again, he does have the creepy, rubbery, just FNAF looking face. But other than that, everything else with this figure is so cool. I mean, first of all, let's take a look at the hat. The actual detail on the hat is absolutely amazing. They actually have texture and everything is painted. Like the line is painted and the little things going around the sides, all painted, which is really cool. And just everything with this figure, it pretty much is a figure. The vest is so detailed. He has the actual buttons, he has the actual star. Really cool. His belt is obviously on there. Very detailed, as you can see with this. It's like kind of see-through plastic, which is really cool. He's got the jeans on. Pretty drippy, not gonna lie. We also have, of course, his cowboy boots, which look really good. Again, the spurs are painted. Everything on this is painted as amazing as possible. Taking a look at the articulation, his head does move, but it is the animatronics, so you're kind of forcing it. His arms spin all the way around. They go out like this. It's kind of hard because he's got felt, so you got to make sure you do it the right way. Bend at the elbows like that. It also goes back. A little creepy. His hands do spin all the way around. And actually, we didn't even look. He has two different hands. He's got this waving one, and then he's got this holding one so he can hold his hat, which is pretty cool. Body doesn't move at all. I guess if you want to count this as articulation, his star does move all the way around. Legs up that much, back that much. Great range. He can go out with a little kicking. Cobra Kai Woody. He does bend at the knees. I would say that's double jointed knees, and that's how much it goes like that. And his boots do move. It's kind of hard to do, but you definitely can move them. So now let's take a look at like his actual voice box stuff that I'm really excited for. So there's actually two different mechanics. So first I want to look at, he does have the pull string. And detail-wise, if you guys are fans of getting movie accurate, this is awesome. It's the little pull string. Absolutely love it. All the other Woodies, I guess we can just take a look. This is my signature collection one. You can see how big the pull string is. And that is just not movie accurate at all. Let's try his pull string.
This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
And like the really cool part is you see when you pull his pull string, his mouth doesn't move.
Right like the wind, Bullseye. There's a snake in my boots. Howdy, partner. I'm Sheriff Woody.
But
Your name.
What? Okay. But the actual cool difference is okay, so like the movie, you pull the pull string, he talks. But when you press the star, you actually get to see the animatronic stuff like he's alive in the movies.
Code Red, you know what to do. Okay, save your batteries. We're in this together, partner. Stay calm, everyone. I can't do this without you. I need your help. Are you with me? Oh, I don't think so.
As you can see, again, there's two different things.
Hey, you notice any trouble around these parts?
His pull string is like that, and then when you press the star, he actually
talks. Time to round us up an adventure.
The animatronic bit is fine. I mean, I don't really like the rubber face because a lot of dirt and grime gets stuck on it. Like, even I looked at all the ones at my Target, and they all had something on it, which was pissing me off. And again, oh, sorry, man. I didn't mean to knock your hat off. It still does, which is really annoying, but it's rubber, so it makes sense. I think the cool animatronic mechanic, it's alright. I definitely would have rather just a normal Woody doll, like with this articulation. I would love if someone could make a custom and make the head just normal Woody, but he has all like the moving components, because it's a great figure. Like, it genuinely has great articulation. It's just this face, man.
Wait for the signal. Go!
Like, genuinely terrifying. But overall, this is still a absolutely amazing figure. I definitely will say it is definitely worth the, what, $80 I think it is. Like tradition, let's take a look at the Ultimate Action Woody to some other Woodies. This is the, I think 2022 Roundup Gang Woody or something. This is the normal Woody you can probably find in stores now. As you can see, Ultimate Woody's a lot taller. This one's got the floppy head. It's not the animatronic. Does have the pull string.
Hey, howdy, hey!
And if you guys want an in-depth review on this Woody, I do have a video far way down on my channel, but it's somewhere. I did open him, so make sure to go check that out. But yeah, here he is with the Ultimate Action Woody. Let's take a look at him with my old school signature collection Woody. This guy has been beat up. God, I love this. I used this as a kid so much. His head is super glued on, so I gotta be a little careful. But he actually does match the size of Ultimate Action Woody. As you can see, they are actually the same height. Something I want to check. Lost the hat for him a long time ago. Let's see if the Ultimate Action Woody hat fits on the signature collection Woody. Oh my god, it does. I absolutely love this. I haven't seen this Woody with a hat in so long. It's a little big. It's a little big, but the detail's really nice. This is really cool. God, I haven't seen this Woody with this in so long. This is so sick. And of course, last but definitely not least, we have to take a look at Ultimate Action Woody with Snazzy Spider-Man. Now, obviously, Snazzy Spider-Man, very tiny. I will say he's got more drip than Woody's boots, not gonna lie. I mean, it's Snazzy Spider-Man, come on. There's Snazzy Spider-Man is with Ultimate Action Woody. Oh, no. But yeah, guys, overall, if I had to, like, give this figure a rating, I would give it probably, like, an 8 out of 10. This thing is really cool. But if you're buying it, you should be buying it for wanting a Woody animatronic.
Alright, guys, we've got one shot at this.
Because again, the articulation is really nice on this, but it just has that creepy rubbery head sculpt for it to talk and move and stuff. Don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool. I see why it's so expensive, but I would have rathered if Mattel just made normal Woody dolls. Again, this is still cool, and I definitely still want to get my hands on the Buzz, but for Toy Story 5, I wish we got some new rag dolls. Re-release a signature collection, please. Think way, please. I know you don't have the rights anymore, but Mattel, just make a copy of it, please. But anyways, guys, yeah, like I said, I'd give this Ultimate Action Woody an 8 out of 10. Sorry the review was over here, not at the review station. Again, this guy is so tall. But anyways, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know what you guys think of the Ultimate Action Woody.
Somebody's poisoned the water hole.
Oh, alright, that was another good video. What food should I get? Nah, let me check the fridge. The fridge is having something good. I'm not seeing any apple juice. Yeah, that's kind of... I didn't put Buddy there. How the hell did he get out here? Alright, I guess I'll just bring him back.